A lot of Filipinos have learned to love Korean food, kaya one of the most popular dishes ang lulutuin natin today, Japchae. Let's start cooking! So I have my ingredients na medyo na julienne, cut into strips. So onions and aking bell peppers and carrots, aking mushrooms are all ready in front of me. So before you start cooking, dapat naka-ready. And meron akong konting water dito that is boiling. And I will first prepare my noodles using my favorite Good Life noodles. And ito siya, though it is not Korean noodles, ito siya, pwede siya because, alam mo, ang Good Life Vermicelli, or tinatawag natin na sotanghon, is made from the same ingredients, potato starch. Tamang-tama to when you toss it with all the ingredients, it's firm to the bite. Then sobra kasi niyang maganda kasi pa siyang crystals, no? Kaya tinatawag siyang crystal noodle, no? Or glass noodles. And I will just add soy sauce. Soy sauce lang. Wala nang iba. Para pang pakulay lang ng konti, no? Ito, what we are doing here, we will just let the noodles absorb the color and let it cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. And it's done. So, papatagalin pa ba natin? Strain natin. And before our noodles cool down, lalagyan natin siya ng konting sesame oil. Good Life Sesame Oil. Meron akong beef, pwede itong chicken, pwedeng pork, cut into strips. Ito, sirloin yung gamit ko. Beef. Saute, saute, saute. Mushrooms. I will make my sauce ahead of time. So I'm using soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, and black pepper. Now, luto na yung beef. I'll add my vegetable, bell peppers, green and red, makulay na makulay. Alam mo, when your food is colorful, it means it is healthy. Onions, and I forgot to add my garlic. I will add garlic. Gisa-gisa tayo. Now, aking sauce is ready. Lagyan ko ng konti itong sesame oil na tira. Ito, spinach or kangkong. Walang kangkong. Yes, pwede kangkong. And I will add my noodle. I will drizzle my sauce over. I will just toss everything together. And we are done. You can add spring onions. You can add leeks. And we're ready to plate. Diba? Korean na Korean yung dating, pero Pinoy ingredients yung gamit natin. Look at that, no? So, maganda para tong ating sotanghon, no? Beautiful, no? Pero may kulang pa. Ito, mag-toast tayo ng sesame seeds for ating garnish. Toast, always toast your sesame seeds kasi it will bring out the nice aroma. And also, yung flavor niya, no? Yung nuttiness, no? At titikman natin at mala Korean restaurant din yung aking chopsticks. Stainless steel. Yan. Ito, hindi natin pinutol for, di ba? Pang pabuenas, di ba? For the good life. O, di ba? Long life and good life. Kaya ito, napakadaling gawin. Kaya magluto na tayo ng ating mga paboritong Korean dishes at using ingredients na ang dali nating mahanap sa ating mga bahay. Ating masarap at simple na recipe na sigurado akong patok na patok para sa family. Ang ating Japchae Simpol! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!